Hey guys, in today's video we're going to put navigation lights on my Vibe Shearwater 125, so stick around. So why do you want navigation lights? Well, if you're going to be out on the water after dark, you at the bare minimum, you have to have a 360 white light in the back. If you're under power, you've got any kind of a motor or anything like that, you have to have marker lights up front. You have to have a red on the port side, or what would be the driver's side of a car, and you have to have green on the starboard side or the passenger side of a car, if you're thinking of it that way. I've got these flexible LED marker lights for the front, and I'll put a link below to the lights. In the back, for the 360 light, I stole this idea, straight jacked it. There's a guy with a channel called Fishing and Stuff. If you fish, you've probably seen his videos. He does all kinds of DIY stuff like I do. This was his idea, so I'm not going to take credit for it, but I will put a link either up here or down below to the video. There you go. It's a lot of glue, a lot of wire, a little bit of time, and you got yourself a marker light for the back. We're going to put the marker lights up here, and on my electronics pod for my Shearwater, I've got my Garmin and an outlet and a switch, a couple doodads. Anyway, the cord where I charge, it's an SAE plug, and we're just going to make a little pigtail for it. And my marker lights, when I'm out after dark, I'm just going to plug it in, bam, that's good. So guys, that's pretty much it. That's all there is to it. There's only really one thing left to do. We're going to the lake. Not yet, it's only noon. We're gonna go to the lake when it gets a little closer to dark. I'm gonna eat something, then I'm gonna go to the lake, and we're gonna get some footage of this thing on the water at night, and yeah. I'll admit, 30 years ago, when I started using ugly stick rods, I only did it because there was a heavy metal band here in Oklahoma City called Ugly Stick, and they were awesome. And the first time I saw that brand, I was like, I'm gonna buy that rod right there. Been doing it ever since. Not sponsored. It's like makes me think of when I was 20 something and not almost 50. So there you go. Another note, why'd I put that piece of tape there and put my stickers around it? Because that's your hull number, your VIN number. Don't cover that up with a sticker.